In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an outside booking to your location on the RV Overnights platform. So we're going to log in as a host. This is our dashboard that will pop up. We're going to go ahead and use the top bar here to navigate over to locations. After we click on locations, we'll be able to manage our locations. We'll see this up here at the top. We can see our location right here, RV Overnights headquarters. If we click on our location, it'll expand and collapse the spaces that we have. When we are adding an outside booking, we are doing that only to a space and not to the entire property. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick the space that we want to book. So in this case, I'll use space 1. And we can click either the plus sign here for an outside booking, or we can hit the 3-dot menu and click outside booking right there. On this page, we'll be able to enter in a date for our booking. So we'll say January 1st to the 2nd. We can put in a booking source, type in a stay request ID, put in a name for the stay request. We can add an email so that we have their contact information. We can put in a phone number so that we have that contact information. We can also add notes and go right here. And then we can hit create booking. After we do that, we can go back to stays, and we'll see right on our calendar this outside booking right here, which is this one's on the 1st, so we're over here. We can click that, we can view those details, and we can also edit it if we choose to. And that's how you add an outside booking on RV Overnights.